What's the meaning of AV? AV. AV.
AV. AV. AV can refer to different meanings depending on the context. In the context of technology and computing, AV most commonly stands for antivirus, which is a software program designed to prevent, detect, and remove malicious software or viruses from computers, networks, and devices. Antivirus tools use various techniques such as signature-based detection, behavioral analysis, and machine learning algorithms to identify and mitigate threats. In summary, AV in the context of technology and computing generally refers to antivirus software.